Hello students, I am Dr. Vibhuti Pandya and I am handling the Animation and Multimedia department at Birla Institute of Technology, Jaipur campus. Basically, I am artist, cartoonist, animator and a professor. I teach animation and cartoon making to the college students. You all must know about animation. If I ask you what is animation, so the answer is very simple that animation is a series of drawings or a series of paintings or series of graphics or a series of images. When we play those images, you will find drawings in movement or drawings in motion. You all must have seen lots of cartoon programs in television channels like Cartoon Network, Pogo, Hangama, Nick and other channels. I exactly teach them how to animate the cartoon character step by step. You all must have heard about Birla Institute of Technology previously, that is known for science and technology in all over the world. So let me tell you about the Birla Institute of Technology. We are pioneer to start animation and multimedia degree program in India in year 2005 with the great support of UGC. Actually, UGC only funded us to start this program. So we have two courses over here. One is Bachelor's of Science in Animation and Multimedia program. It's a 3-year degree program, and we have another program called Post-Graduation Program in Animation Design. That is a 2-year degree program. So after completion of these courses, students work for the animation industry. Most of the pass out students are working in all over the world like USA, Canada, England, Singapore and other countries. Many students are working in India also, in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Bombay, Pune and other cities. So nowadays animation is being used by many industries like film industry, animation is being used by television industry, animation is being used by game industry, animation is being used by IT industry, animation is being used by advertising industry. So there are many industries. So if we talk about film industry, so you all must have seen Bahubali film. Many artists, designers and animators have worked in the film. Most of the budget of the film was spent on that. And if we talk about television industry, if you watch television, you will find hundreds of channels. You could be a part of any one of the channel. And if we talk about the game industry, I know you all are playing video games and mobile games. You could be a part of game industry. Please note, you can't see any one of the game without any animation. Means animation is an important part of game. And if we talk about IT industry, so you all access web pages. There you find lot of graphics, animation, visual presentations, visual promotions, etc. You can be a part of huge IT industry and earn lot of money. And if we talk about advertising industry, you could be a part of ad industry where you can work as designer or artist. So students, you could be a part of any one of the industry after completion of these courses, and I wish you will have a fantastic future prospects. If you have any questions or doubts regarding animation, you may contact me anytime by asking your drawing ma'am or drawing teacher ma'am. I thanks to her for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. Now I'm going to share few of my cartoon illustrations. In that you will find how cartoons are drawn step by step. Thanks and stay safe. Thank you so much.